All right, hey guys, welcome to day 4 of my day trading journey to profitability to prove that it's possible. I ended up taking a trade today um, on Friday, even though we had some news this morning at 9:45. We had flash manufacturing PMI. Um, I didn't really see too much of an influence in the market after that news came out. We had this one candle down. But I still ended up taking a trade on NASDAQ today. So let's first mark out these highs and lows. So on the 4 hour, we had this high up here, was that in green? We had this low here before market opened. And then on the 1 hour, um, we had these highs up here in blue, as well as right here. And then on the lows, we had a low here, and then we had a 10 a.m. low right here. Or that candle closed at 10, opened at 9. So um, overall bias on the day is kind of, um, I was looking for shorts, so we were bearish bias, but on the daily we were kind of, um, we were bearish. Actually, we were bullish here after this candle closed. Um, but on the 4 hour, we were kind of just consolidating again. I think this is similar to what yesterday's was like, but kind of in a downtrend here eventually. Market opened, and on the 1 hour, um, again, we were in a downtrend, kind of got some legs up here. We didn't get a break of structure till here, and then price just decided to consolidate for the rest of the day. So I was looking for shorts today. So market opened. Um, I marked out these highs and lows, so I was looking for a sweep of a high in order to take a short. So you can see it, market opened immediately, swept these buy side liquidity. Um, so I dropped into the 5 minute. And then on the 5 minute, we see market opened here. Um, See it sweeps this liquidity, get a retrace here, but we see it push all the way up. We get a retrace on this 4 hour high. I'm right here at 9:55, and then we see this down candle. I hop into the 1 minute after that retrace. 55. That's right here. So again, after that retrace, I'm looking for fair value gaps for my confluence to take a trade. So we can see we had a fair value gap here, but that got invalidated because it got closed above. Um, and we see we have another fair value gap here. And price never really touched into there. So I don't need to mark that off. Then we get this fair value gap below it. All right, right here. See price push up into there. Um, and we see sell orders coming out. I mark this low, and then once I see a break of structure here, that's when I entered in on the trade. So we go short here, this candle close, and then my stops all the way up here on the first candle. So I saw that giant stop loss I had there, and I wasn't really happy with the size of that, so kind of de-risked today almost, and didn't really wait for um, price to fully go to my take profit, um, just because it's a Friday. Volume's normally lower, or going to be lower. Um, and we had the news come out at 9:45. So yeah, um, if I was to go to the recent low, actually, we could have set it to this 10 hour or this hourly low on the at 10 when that hourly candle closed. Um, and I think that might be what I ended up doing. Um, I closed a little early, around $20 in profit. We can see here, take profit was 207.04. So right, 4. So yeah, see, just above this hourly, or just below that low. So I got or I took profit a little earlier today, just because we had this big imbalance, and I could see price pushing back up into this area, just because of this big stop loss. Normally, when you have a big stop loss like that, and it takes a while to um, fill your confluences in a big candle down, um, you need to be wary of that. So that's what I did that for um, today. So we're up on the week, about 2% or so on the week. So I'm pretty happy with that. Um, to learn today, I mean, I guess I fully didn't stick to my rules, so I should have put my take profit down here. But again, this was a low, so technically I can put it there according to my rules, but the risk to reward is very bad at this with this giant stop loss. So that's, I mean, this is pretty much where I took the trade to, so I'm happy with that. But the risk to reward was not the best. So I mean, at the end of the day, I probably shouldn't have taken a trade just because the risk to reward wasn't that good. Um, but I ended up getting lucky, I guess we'll say. And on the S&P, I didn't take any trades today. Let's just take a quick look. Market opened. Um, let's go to the 15-minute. I can see it sweeps all these highs. Um, and then again, just it comes back down, sweeps. It doesn't, it does sweep this low. Um, uh, maybe just barely. Um, but then again, it just consolidates. See if there's an hourly low there. It took out. Was an hourly low there. But it doesn't look like it hit it, or just barely touched it. So, I mean, at the end of the day today, I probably shouldn't have taken a trade, um, but I did, and I ended up getting lucky. I think if I took a trade, I took the trade on the best index or the best pair today, for sure. This price movement was a little cleaner than this. So overall, happy for the week. Um, just need to make sure I'm sticking to my rules and not feeding my way into profit, if you know what I mean. Um, but there was a low here, so I'm happy with that. Um, and on a news day, on a Friday, price tends to just like to consolidate um, from the week. All right, well, this was day 4 um, of my day trading journey to profitability to prove that it's possible. Thanks for watching. I'll keep posting these videos every day. I might come out with a video explaining my strategy and explaining how to get into day trading. I've been getting some questions about that, so be on the lookout for that. And we'll see you on Monday.